Okay, we'll go straight to item 3, which is, also, sorry, we have a late agenda item, correct, Raylene, which is to receive an update on the various two infrastructure issues we have at the moment. Three, yep, correct. Where would you like that in the agenda?
I think pretty early on, Your Worship.
Pretty early on, we've got the various parties here. Yep, sure. We can make that after we just confirm the minutes, if you like. Yep, sure. Okay, 3.1, Ordinary Council meeting on the 4th of June. Do we have any clarification of those minutes? Councillor Hickling.
Need to pass a resolution about the special item.
Yes, if we could, yeah, good. Thank you very much.
I'd like to move that.
Yes, moved by Councillor Hickling, seconded by
I will second it, but I just wanted a point of clarification. Is the late item just to receive information, or you're requesting some comment or direction from us?
Through you, Your Worship, no, it's only just to receive information. Obviously, any comment or feedback through the presentations are always welcome from councillors, but it's just the first opportunity to be able to provide you with a rundown. Normally, it's the sort of thing that we do through the Chief Executive's report, but we don't have one this month, given that it's the end of the financial year.
In that case, I'm happy to second we accept.
Thank you, Councillor Hickling. Moved and seconded by Councillor Hickling and Councillor John. All those in favour, please say aye. Those against, carried. Item 3.1, 4th of June. Any clarification of those minutes? Okay, do I have a mover for those minutes, please? Thank you, Councillor Park, seconded by Councillor Rankin. All those in favour, please say aye. Those against, carried. Item 3.2, 25th of June, 2019. Any clarification of those minutes? No? Could I have a mover, please? Thank you, Councillor Boddy. Seconded by Councillor Truman. All those in favour, please say aye. It's against, carried.